Rose cried to Jacob, "Give me children lest I die." Jacob answered with a burden, "For it is God who hears the cry." So she gave him bill of handmaid and 2 sons rose in her name. But then for God he judged her cause, and after lethal struggle came. God remembered, God regarded every tear and every plea, in the striving of the household he was shaping what would be. Through the bitter and the hope, through the joy and jealousy, God remembered, God regarded, and he worked his mystery. They saw her sisters wrestling. Dave was Zilpah at Jacob's side. Dad was born to sudden fortune. Asher came with a women's cry. Then Reuben found the mandrakes. Rachel bargained for the night, and he bore more sons again. By the Lord who sees your flight. To the children of Leah, Issachar for wages earned. Zebulun found his place. A daughter Dinah followed next, a quiet mark of future grace. Through the one Jacob slighted, God kept building up the line. A house of 12 in brokenness, held together by design. And God remembered Rachel, listened to her aching soul. Joseph came with hope restored. May the Lord that yet more still. And Jacob sought his freedom. Laban schemed to keep him near. Yet God blessed the spotted flock, made his favor bright and clear. God remembered, God regarded every tear and every plea, in the striving of the household he was shaping what would be. Through the bitter and the hopeful, through the joy and jealousy, God regarded, and he worked his mystery.